Curious como.
Huh?
What is it? Found another cool thing! What is it? It has so many buttons!
Uba, uba.
Gumi, try pressing something. Anything?
Uba. Uba.
Oh my! How did this happen? Uba stopped! What? Uba has stopped? No, it can't be. Should I press something else?
Booba.
Wow! Incredible!
Uba. Uba.
All right, we can control Uba. What does this button do? Yep.
Uba.
Bigger, bigger, bigger. Get bigger, 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 bigger. That's too big. Get smaller, 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 smaller. Get smaller, smaller.
Uba! Uba-ba! Uba! Uba-ba!
Uba got smaller. Uba, you're so cute.
Uba.
What button is this? Yep.
Ba! Ba!
Wow. Yep. Yep. That's so funny! Uba keeps changing! Gomo, keep changing it!
Uba is more fun than television. Como, that's enough. You'll break Uba. Hi, Como. What did you meet today? You met a remote control today. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
You are?
It can control the TV like it controls Uba.
Uba!
Just like it stopped Uba mid-air, it can stop the TV screen.
That's so funny!
Just like it changed Uba, it can change the channels on the TV. Wow, that must have been so much fun. Como, I'll see you next time. Bye.
What is it? A mirror? It's hard! Wow! Wow, how did you do that? I just tapped it! So cool! Let's touch something! Yeah! Wow! It's a camera! Our faces are showing! Do I look okay? Yeah! Smile! Smile! Huh? What is this? It's so funny! Should we try something else? It's so funny! Me too, me too! Oh! Look at your face! It's so weird! Let's try something else this time. Wow! Dinosaurs! Hurry! Run away! Hide fast! This is fun! Oh, what is it? What is it? How do I work it? Is this it? Yeah. Go on! Can you see me? Uba! Wow, so awesome! Wow, how did you get in there? This is called a video call. A video call? We were watching an animation. Animation? That sounds fun! Let's watch together. Come over. We'll be right there. Hold on. Over here! Come on! Let's watch together! Wow! Dinosaurs! Oh, it's more fun to watch together!
Hi, Kumo. What did you meet today? Oh, you met a smartphone today. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
You are? Do I look okay? Yeah? Smile!
Smartphones can take pictures.
Huh? Let's try something else.
Smartphones can be used to watch animations.
Run away! Hurry, run! Hide! Hide! How do I work it? Is this it?
Smartphones can make or take calls. Wow, Kumo! That must have been so much fun. I'm curious about next time.
Bye!
Catch me if you can!
What he said?
This is fun! What is this? My feet are stuck!
Dodo, what are you doing?
Get away!
I'm stuck too! What are you doing?
Don't come! Get away!
What's wrong?
Uba! 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 Ooh!
I told you not to come!
My foot is stuck! What is this rolled up thing?
We barely got out! One last foot! Wow! I got out!
What is this?
It got stuck to my body.
Aha! This way! This way! Okay, here. Now, put the broken pieces together and stick the tape on it. Ta-da!
The wing is back fun! That's amazing, Toto!
Hi, Gomo. What did you meet today? Oh, you met Tape. What did you think about it? I'm curious.
It's so fun!
Tape is sticky.
Oh, my feet are stuck!
I told you not to go!
Oh, my foot is stuck!
Tape is rolled up.
What is this rolled up thing? Now, put the broken pieces together. Like
Tape
this.
can stick things together.
Ta-da!
Wow! That must have been so much fun. See you next time, Gomo. Bye.
Bye! I see a nice box! What's inside?
Ba?
Let's open it! 1, 2, 3... Huh? What?
Are they...
Huh?
Uba!
What is this? It's a circle!
Aha! I got it! This is a crown!
A crown?
Uba?
No, no! This is a belt! A belt?
Is it?
Uba, uba, uba! Uba, ba!
You're a pirate!
I don't think that's it.
Uba, ba, ooh!
No, it's a belt!
It's a crown!
What could they be? Huh?
A crown!
A belt!
Uba, ba!
Aha!
Oh, so close!
My turn! Okay, here I go! Yeah. I did it! Wow, you're really good!
Call me one again.
Wow!
Gomo, Gomi. That's not how you use rings. Rings are accessories you wear on your fingers. Do you get it now? Gomo, I'm curious about next time.